Ooh. Gideon is sucking Remy's hand. Remy, Kitty. They're both looking at the same toy. Look at Kitty holding on to it. We're going to do some close-ups here. This is Remalaya. Kitty J. Oh, they're touching each other's face. Thanks, Remy. It's real sweet. He does something. Remy, can you roll over? If Gideon moved over, he could. Oh, there's just a start of it. Nice work, Gideon. It looks like Gideon. Come on, Rems. Hey, Kitty, flip-flop, flip-flop. Show him how to flip. Come on over. He's got his hand on his shoulder. It looks like Gideon's showing him the toy. Like, look at this, cousin.
It's a fun project. They make the front of the house. You kind of find some spaces and you can decide what you want to do with plants out there.
Is Remy sucking on Gideon's thumb now? There's Mama. What did Remy do last night? He slept through the night. The first night. Look, watch them, look. Gideon had Remy's. They're buds. They don't know yet. Remy doesn't really know that Gideon's there.